Okay, good. Now, all of you, the point is that one person has been selected for one MNC or level 3 company. Now here they will most probably nowadays, most of the companies are taking the project interviews. Okay, you have cleared L1, L2 and manager rounds. Now you go to the company and they will going to take out the project interviews. When they take out the project interviews, okay, whatever the previous project that you have handled, they will going to ask you this question. What was your roles and responsibilities? Suppose if it is a support project, most probably so many people will appear for the okay support project only. When you take out the support project, what is the important thing that they have? All of you, what is the important thing that they have? That means the point is that whenever they go with different types of solutions, okay, they will just take out the output from you. What are all the responsibilities, roles and responsibilities that you have handled in the previous project? Suppose if it is a support project, now every day I get the tickets from the end user or else client, okay, which are related to AP, AR, GL, and at the same time, technical aspects like data medium exchanges, electronic bank statements, asset accounting, depreciation things. Okay, and the integration with MM, SD, CO, everything. I do get the tickets from the ticketing tool, which is ServiceNow. Simple, all of you. Any issues coming from the client or an end user that will be resolved within the SLA, that means service level agreement. Now, our question is that, so you have handled the tickets. Now, what are all the tickets that you have handled? I have handled P1, P2, P3 and P4. P1 and P2 are the high priority tickets. Lead will be assigned those tickets on our name and that needs to be done within the time. These are having different types of time limits only. P1 tickets within hours only we need to do it. P3 and P4. These all are the low priority tickets. Lead will be assigned those tickets on our name. That needs to be done within the time. Okay. That is the question, all of you. Then next, whenever you get the tickets from the client or an end user, you just need to, set up a call with them and getting that particular details of that error. Okay, that is also very, very important. And second point is that, sorry, fifth point is that all of you, you are the only responsible person for clearing the tickets as well as preparing the documents for an end user. Then whenever you get the tickets from the client about any configuration that needs to be done within the SAP system. So this was your roles and responsibilities, all of you. Okay, I mean, see, for brief description, I'm just giving the. Then next point is that, ma'am, click on the enter. What were the biggest challenges? Sorry, I was in a mute. Okay, sorry, sir.
Okay.
Okay, the point is that second point is that all of you, I mean, after completion of this particular thing, which are related to project, describe your last SAP project and what was your roles and responsibilities. Then what was the biggest challenges you faced in your project? In your project, you faced in your project, and how did you resolve them? And how did you resolve them? Okay, suppose all of you. What was the biggest challenge that you have faced in your project and how did you resolve them? That means all of you, suppose I'm just giving you the simple scenario. Okay. Now in the FBZP, same. Okay. Whatever the scenarios that we have done today only. Now FBZP. Okay. Transaction code. You will going to have the payment method in company code. Under this payment method in company code, you have seen the optimization by postal code. Got it? Now, I don't want to exclude the vendors by giving the postal code. Now the client is asking you, I don't want to give, I don't want to exclude the vendors by giving the postal code in the free selection tab. Now what is the solution? So he's asking for the somewhat account number for supplier. For supplier, there is a account number, right? For the in the BP, you have one BP role, a BP role number, and after that you will going to have the supplier. In that particular supplier, you will going to have the number. Suppose what is the number? 9994 is the number. Now the system is now the client is asking, whenever I go with the free selection tab, I need to select the LFB1 LIFNR. So for that one, I need to have the solution. Okay. With the help of the vendor number only, I should exclude the vendors for all the invoices. Okay. See, one vendor has multiple invoices. Now, I don't want to pay amount to that particular vendor. Okay. I don't want to pay the I don't want to pay the amount to that particular vendor with all the invoices. So how you can able to resolve it? How you can able to resolve it? So you need to go with the technical consultant. Okay, you need to prepare the spec which are related to LFB1 table, and there will be some tables. There will be some fields. LIFNR is there, so which is the supplier number. With that particular supplier number, there will be a programs. Okay, for that particular programs which are related to the functional modules or anything. Okay, you need to give the inputs to the technical consultant. Okay, what is the exact table and what is the exact field name and why it is not appearing in the free selection tab. Okay, so if size abasi is not equal to 0, okay, or else if size abasi is equal to 0, okay, they haven't included that particular thing, so you should include it by giving the inputs from the functional side. That is the important. So this is the biggest challenge we have faced for the particular thing. See, I'm just giving you the things. Don't worry, I will send you the questions as well as the answers and all. Based on that, you have to react. Okay, so most probably they go with this difficult solutions and all. Then next point is explain the business process of your project and explain the business process of your project. Explain the business process of your project and how SAP FICO was integrated and how SAP FICO was integrated or else is integrated with other modules like MM, SD and CO. Okay, then next point. What kind of reports did you create? What kind of reports did you create or customize in your project? What kind of reports did you create or customize in your project? Simple, all of you. Now, the point is that whenever we go with the points, what kind of reports did you create or customized in your project? Give me the answers. If they ask you any questions, okay, if they ask you any questions like this, what you need to do is, all of you, in our SAP system, okay, give me 10 minutes, we will close the session. Okay, for the project interviews only, I'm just giving you the details, all of you. Okay, so you have two targets. One is to clear the interviews to enter into the company. Okay, to enter into the company, you need to clear the interviews. Then next, after entering into the company, you need to clear the project interviews. That is the point. Now, what kind of reports you create or customized in your project? All of you, standard reports will be there. Okay, so standard reports enhancements will be there. Standard reports enhancements will be there. Now, write on, ma'am. Under this particular, what kind of reports did you create or customized in your project? So first point is standard reports enhancements. Standard reports enhancements. Enhancement, which is customization. Just put the hyphen customization, which is customization. Yes. Customization. Yeah, that's it, ma'am. See, all of you, I'm just giving you the brief explanation on the standard report enhancements. In my previous project, what you need to say, in my previous project, I worked on enhancing the standard SAP FICO reports using transaction codes like suppose simple, all of you, AFBL1 and vendor line item display, FBL3 and GL line item display, FBL5 and customer line item display. The client wanted additional fields such as profit center segment and custom document types in these reports. Okay, so what is the exact things that we need to use? We will going to use the business transaction events. Okay, and SAP enhancements like RFPO SX and RF POS to add extra fields to that report. Customizations. Simple, all of you. We have seen the FBL1 and okay, now we have seen the noted items, special GL indicators, everything is a one field. Okay, so if you select that particular field, I should get that particular report only. Okay, how the things will be happen? The point is that you need to give the tables as well as the field names. Okay, see, if you give the field name also, they will understand it. From which table should I need to take out? Okay, they will understand it. So they will focus on the standard reports enhancements. Standard reports is nothing but the FBL1 and FBL3 and FBL5 and AW01N. Sorry, not the AW01N. AFAB, like depreciation reports, anything. Then next, second point is customizing reports. Customizing reports is nothing but the all of you. Customizing reports. Customization is different. Customizing reports is different. Okay, reports customization, that is Z reports or Y reports. That is Z reports or Y reports. Suppose all of you, if they ask you any questions which are related to Z reports, okay, suppose I'm just giving you the example based on our previous conversation. I developed a custom reports using ABAP when standard reports didn't meet business requirements. One such report was a vendor aging report, okay, which displayed outstanding vendor payments categorized by due date intervals. Like suppose you have the payment terms, which is 10 days, 20 days and 30 days, then 31 to 60 days extra. This helped that finance team track overdue invoices and manage cash flow effectively. Okay, so what are all the tables that you need to use? Simple, all of you. In the payment terms, you have seen the vendor aging related things. In the payment terms, if you go to the OBBA transaction code, if you observe 10 days, 20 days, you are giving the cash discount. Okay, but the 30 days, you don't have any field. You understand my point? Ma'am, if you have any SAP system, go to the SAP system. If you have any SAP system and all in your
sorry, laptop couldn't able to.
Okay, you don't have any system, right? Gautami ma'am, just try to send the OBB8 screenshot, ma'am. Open your payment
OBDS.
terms and try to send it. Or else in the previous conversations we have. No, don't share it. Don't share it. I will. Don't share your screen. Priyamam, you only share the screen. Here I will. Here I will send it. Don't worry. Ma'am, go to the Skype. Share your screen. Go to the Skype. Go to the chat. In the chat, open it. In the chat. And I have already sent you the message. You didn't get it, huh?
No, it's loading. That's the actually morning onwards service. It's continuously restarting this.
Okay. No issue. Messaging is unavailable. Okay. The point is that Skype is no longer available after April. That is why.
Yeah.
Okay. No worries. Okay. Got me, ma'am. Just share your screen and open that screenshot. And after that, we will go with the.
I will take the screenshot and go there. Paste it.
Okay, no issue. Okay, the point is that all of you got me, ma'am. Open your, share your screen and just show me that particular thing. In the chat box, see all of you here, number of days. And after that, second term, number of days is there. For the third term, there is a percentage. For the third term, there is a percentage. Now, we need to develop this customization with the help of ABAPs. For the terms of payments, OBBA transaction code. Okay, there will be some programs, all of you. Okay, for that OBB8, take out the new screen, ma'am. Take out the new screen. Go to the transaction code SC93. SC93. In the SC93, there will be a transaction code, all of you. What is the transaction code? You can able to create it. Okay, but the point is that we do have OBB8. Ma'am, go to the OBB8. Go to the transaction. No. Here only. OBB8. Here. OBB8. No. In the SC93 transaction code, enter the OBB8 transaction code. Here, OBB8. Go to the display option, ma'am. Go to the display option. See, all of you. This package is the FB0C. Okay, this is the transaction. And the point is that when you go for the SM30, okay, you can able to see with the transaction code. They have created the transaction code with the help of SAP GUI and these things. And the point is that they have given this particular thing. But the point is that they haven't, we haven't have the package. In that particular package, FB0C, they have created the payment terms. Okay. So based on this package, they will going to have the program name. In the SC38 transaction code, they will going to enter the program name and they will do it. This is from the consultant point of view. Okay, so don't worry. See, this is the way you can able to see the transaction things and all. Okay, no worries. Now, Priyamam, open this. Share your screen. Here, the point is that there will be a customized tools and reports are there. Okay, so in the customizing tools and reports, here Z reports you can able to develop it, and Y reports also you can able to develop it. Okay. Z report also you can able to develop it, and Y report also you can able to develop. Can anyone able to view the screen? I'm not getting.
And I shared my screen.
Ma'am, share with the desktop.
Desktop only. 1 second.
GNR BRB desktop. Are you fine with your internet?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Let me know if you're able to see my screen.
Stop it and share it once again.
Yeah, I did it.
Okay, good. So the point is that customized reports will be there, all of you. Okay, so you can able to do it whatever you want. Then next one, and any related which are profits. Okay, standard reports things will be there. Profit and loss statements. Just write down, ma'am. Profit and loss statements, which is Z report only, which is Z report. Hyphen Z report. There is a trial balances reports. Any report you can able to take out, all of you. The point is that if you want or else if your client, particular client wants the fields which are related to any reports, now they want to update somewhat field within the report, then only they can able to get that particular report only, right? Using ALV reports and all. So the point is that whenever you are doing the customizations, fields should be there. So who will going to give the fields? Functional consultant. Who will going to develop the reports, which is a paper. Okay, now somewhat trial balances. Fourth one is also trial balance reports. Fourth one trial balance report, and fifth one is bank reconciliation statements like BRS. Fifth one is bank reconciliation statements, BRS. Okay, so all of you, you should not tell standard reports I have done, customization reports I have done. So in the standard report, what you have done the customization. Okay, they will ask you the tables. I used tables like FEBKO, FEBEP, and BSIS to fetch the data and highlights the discrepancies and all. Okay, everything you need to extract it and give it to the ABAPS. Then sixth one is tax reports. Seventh one is cost center wise expense report. So all of you, the point is that eighth one. Okay, no, you don't have any eighth one. The point is that all of you, how to answer in an interview. First of all, you need to start with the report. Okay, what the report was for, particularly if it is related to the business requirement. Okay, then mention whether you customized a standard report or created a new one. Already we have seen it in the standard report enhancements in the customization. Then explain which tables, which fields, which transactions you were used. Highlight how it helped the business. That's it. You understand my point, right, all of you? So then next one is after that give arrow mark, ma'am. After what kind of reports you have created? Okay, that's fine. Project specification is done. Project specification is done. Okay. After that, what kind of reports? What kind of reports you have done? The next point is SAP FICO integration with other modules. That's fine. And real-time scenarios and problem solving. Real-time scenarios and problem solving. Suppose simple, all of you. A company wants to change the depreciation method for assets. What steps will you follow? What steps will you follow? Now, how do you handle open item management in SAP FICO? And what happens if payment document is cleared incorrectly? How do you reverse it? There will be a mass reversal. There will be a normal reversals. So we will going to discuss that scenario also in upcoming days. Don't worry. Then next one, a user report that an invoice is not appearing in the FBL1 vendor report. How will you troubleshoot? How will you troubleshoot? Then how do you resolve bank reconciliation issues in the electronic bank statement EBS? And have you worked with the data medium exchanges for payment files? And how this payment file is sending to the third party tool? That one also you should know it. Okay, then this is the real-time scenarios and problem solving. And fourth one is next point is SAP FICO configuration and customization. SAP FICO configurations and customizations. All of you, you have created the goods and service taxes. Okay, you have created the goods and service taxes, particularly related to the Priya ma'am and Sarojini ma'am and Venkat. Okay, you have already taken the coaching, but the point is that whenever you appear for the interviews and all, if you explain the FICO configuration, no one will going to listen. But why? Because this has been already generated by the SAP system. I mean, a lot of standard configurations are there. You don't need to worry about that one. But the point is that customization, in the customization, simple example, you have done the goods and service taxes example. Okay, you have done the goods and service taxes, configurations and all. Now, who will going to create the condition types? You're not the only one consultant who will going to create the condition types. SD consultant will be there. Consultant will be there. Those conditions will be created by the only, which is related to the GST. Condition types will be there. Understand the point, understand the requirement. Okay. Then how do you configure tax codes for GST in SAP and how the condition types are being picked up in the purchase order? Okay. Based on the line item level, how the condition types are being picked up. That should also we have to know it, which is related to the SAP FICO configuration and customization. Okay. So SAP will give somewhat GST taxes, okay, like customer or standard GSTs and all. Now, if you want any customization tax codes and all, you need to do it. And how you can able to do it? So based on the tickets and support experience. Next point is tickets and support experience. Tickets and support experience. Okay. I mean, basically, this is your normal project specification questions. Everything is interrelated within the specifications. Okay, all of you. If if any particular customization, field modification, then report modification, as well as the ALV reports, classic reports are obsoleted. Okay. No one is using ALV reports. They are using for the ALV reports. Okay, if you want to have the separate intimations. Okay, intimations related to the AP, AR, anything you can able to take out. Okay, so how the reports will be developed based on the customization as well as based on the standard ones. So already standard one has been developed. You need to do the customization and based on that particular standards. Okay, automatically with the help of functional consultants. Okay, ABAPS will going to create the new reports. Okay, they will customize the reports. How the customizations will be happened. Okay, and at the same time, now they don't question the customization reports or standard reports and all. They go with the integrations which are related to the material management and sales and distributions and controlling. Okay, all of you. So many things will be there. We will discuss each and everything within the class daily for 15 minutes and all. Okay.